Hello there. We are in North Cyprus, in Karaoglanoglu. Very long, hard to pronounce. This is literally Girne. This is the place where we are showing you this wonderful house today. 4 bedrooms, 290 square meters house. Really spacious. Literally, you have 2 living rooms here and 1 extra bedroom or an office or a children room or the bedroom for elderly people if you have older parents or members of the family. Come inside. Entrance that way to the lounge, that way to kitchen, and this way in the kitchen you can see there is as well spacious lounge living room you can use for living. Okay, now what we can say, this is a 2001 completed house, quite old, but it's got nice features. It's got a large built-in kitchen with white goods, and this is going to be included in a sale. As you can see, it's very light, it's the space everywhere. This way is a lounge with a separate dining area, and you can exit to the terrace literally every way you like. This way, that way. Let's go into the house further. Really spacious living room. You can see all over the place, and you have beautiful carving. You have all of those ornaments everywhere. Lovely. Of course, from this living room you can exit to the 4th bedroom, or we can call it a office, yeah. Or you could go directly to the corridor area where you can leave with your coat when you enter the house. You could also build a small wardrobe here, so ample space, really a lot of space. You got a guest shower toilet here on the ground level. These can also be made a very nice decorated, if you want it, come up with me. There are 3 double bedrooms on the 1st floor and a very big landing area with a small kitchenette. If you look this way, literally you could also turn it into something that you want to have in your house. This is a family bathroom here with a bath. This side is you can call it a master bedroom. It's really big, and from here it's very easy to exit to the terrace. This one is a big terrace that is overwrapping the whole house. It begins here and it goes all the way, if you follow me down this way, it goes all the way until the other side of the house, until the end. Really large, right? From here you can see the beautiful views to the mountain. This is called Karaoglanoglu Edremit area. Very nice residential area, very quiet. Normal, very normal for North Cyprus, yeah. From here you can possibly see the sea. There is Mary Park Hotel in front of us over there. There's also Kaya Palazzo Hotel also next to it. The beach, from here, the beach is literally on the main road. There is a small LED, a municipal beach that they just built recently, about 1 or 2 years ago. It's just over there. And also there is by that hotel, Mary Park Hotel, there is a beach called Caravanserai. Very popular public beach, actually. It's a bunch of restaurants and supermarkets around in the area. I just want to show you more of the bedrooms, if you don't mind. Now we are moving towards the other 2 bedrooms. This one is a guest bedroom. It's also very spacious, and it's got this large wardrobe. Also exiting both sides to that wraparound terrace. And we have got 1 extra bedroom. This can be actually a master bedroom because it's got an ensuite bathroom over here. This one also has a mirror and the shower and everything inside. Alright, so we are actually finishing with the house, and hope that you loved it. For us, it's one of the most popular houses now. We are coming here quite often. Hopefully, if this house is for you, You could also inquire about this house. We can give you more details. We can tell you how to purchase this house while being away. There are always ways around it. We are going to be happy to see you in North Cyprus. Check out www.landmark-estate.com for more details and more options for properties in North Cyprus. See you in North Cyprus. Bye-bye.